Hey there, I'm Danny with J Designs. Are you ready to take a plunge into designing your own dream pool? Well, let me introduce you to our Custom Pool Estimator, your personal pool design wizard. Our estimator isn't just a pricing tool. It's a creative hub where your ideas take shape. Play around with pool shapes, depths, materials, you name it. With every choice, you get a peek at what your dream pool might cost. And in the spirit of being transparent, our estimator includes everything, and I mean everything, from the size and shape of the pool to those extra touches that make your pool uniquely yours. Because we know that every pool is as unique as its owner. Our estimator also takes into account the things that you can't see: location, soil type, accessibility, to give you a comprehensive overview of your project. We believe in no surprises, just complete transparency. So, whether you're planning an eco-friendly pool with solar heating or your very own luxury retreat with all the bells and whistles, our estimator is your go-to resource. The best part about it is that you can use it whenever inspiration strikes. Experiment with different options, save your results, and refine your vision at your leisure. At J Designs, we're all about empowering you with information. Our pricing tool is designed to help you understand the ins and outs of your pool projects with no strings attached. Choosing our estimator is the first step towards transforming your backyard into the oasis that you've always imagined. Not using it might leave you wondering what could have been. So, are you ready to dive in? Hit the Get Started button and let our custom pool estimator do the magic. Can't wait to see what designs you come up with.
If you have any more questions or concerns about anything we've talked about in this video, contact us today and we'll find out what the construction process looked like for your custom pool by going on to jdesigns.com and booking an appointment.